Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about the only time you should buy a brand new car. Let's get into the video. Only buy a brand new car if you have a net worth of $1 million or more, because you can afford to take the hit on depreciation as that car can become less and less worthy. As you drive the car off the lot, it becomes a used car that's already $1,000 less than you paid for it. The other interesting thing about cars is the average car payment is around 400 to 500 per month. Therefore, if you pay attention to your budget and buy a car you can afford with cash, you could be building wealth with the same 400 to $500 you would have put towards a car note. I know it's difficult and challenging to buy a car cash, but if you would try to put money aside or save up for the next car you wish to purchase, this can be accomplished. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.